The architectural railing industry is a niche market. It is unique and deep enough to be complicated and challenging. VIVA Railings strives to be the best in the ornamental railings category and the provider of choice for architects and general contractors.
As a company, VIVA Railings has been growing at a rapid pace since our beginning.
We have achieved much since our inception in 2005, growing from a one-man operation to a strong team of over 150.
The design and engineering arm of our company alone has grown from 15 people 5 years ago to 50 people on 3 continents today. We're only as good as the people on our team, and it is incumbent that we have the very best people working for us at VIVA Railings. From an organizational standpoint, our supervisory level has been put in place to allow for the continual expansion of our team. One way we do that is through regular evaluations with our personnel and aggressively recruiting the best talent in the industry.
We teach and train every one of our team members from the ground up, helping them develop a thorough understanding of our market segment.
Our team is very diverse with talent from around the globe, and the softwares we use allow us to work remotely, opening up new possibilities for us as a company. As owners, we have invested in creating a world-class working environment for our people and recently moved to our new 65,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility which tripled our capacity, allowing us to add equipment and manpower to produce more in-house so that we can continue to meet deadlines and quick turnaround requests that we always have from our customers.
We are ramping up our production and putting methods in place to reduce our turnaround times and lower costs, all while maintaining the quality workmanship that architects, contractors, and building owners have come to expect. We have invested heavily in specialized machinery and equipment. Our most recent purchase is a state-of-the-art laser machine that is a game changer for our production, increasing both our capacity and our capabilities. Moving our production in-house has allowed us to add a quick ship program to serve the needs of our customers who need quality products in less time. We identified our existing product lines that can now be completed with up to 50% reduced lead times. Systems available in our quick ship program include our Circa, Cube, and Blade railing systems with glass and wire mesh infills.
VIVA Railings believes in a very well-defined process to ensure project success. For that reason, we use Gantt scheduling from the very start of the project. This schedule is developed starting with customers' master schedule in mind and their goals and milestones. We then add durations and logic to various workflow stages to come up with a schedule that works for both VIVA Railings and the general contractor.
At VIVA, we have dedicated resources in our pre-construction and sales department that help the architects with design development. This is where we help them select the product that best fits their aesthetic budget and occupancy needs. Similarly, we work with general contractors right from budget development to final GMP pricing. This is where we, of course, price what is shown on contract documents, but we are not shy to suggest value engineering alternatives that will save time, money, or both.
As the building structure becomes available, our project team provides us with a laser scan model of the as-built structure.
We use 3D laser scanners, allowing us to get extremely precise information back to our design team.
We're talking about a tolerance of a 1/16 of an inch, such that the product gets fabricated and installed precisely.
We are fortunate to work for a company that is continually advancing and investing in cutting-edge technology and cutting-edge equipment.
We started VIVA Railings to control our time. It was our goal to establish a debt-free enterprise that we could grow for ourselves and future generations. VIVA is our legacy, and we are so proud of it.
The reputation we have developed makes us the railing provider of choice for architects and builders.
One of the most important and unique aspects of our company is that the ownership is very hands-on. I love being involved in the day-to-day workings of the company and providing a high-touch customer relationship that translates into high customer satisfaction.
Moving forward and based on feedback, we have expanded our line of architectural metal products. This makes me very excited for the future of VIVA Railings.